Hello friends, welcome back to Azure 204 Lab 02 Exercise 5. So here we are going to clean up the resources. So here's lab scenario. We are done with all the other 4 exercises and now we are left with last exercise which says clean up your subscription. Okay, so let's go to the instruction page. Okay, here exercise 5, clean up your subscription. So task 1 is to open the Cloud Shell and list resource groups. So we'll first go to the Azure portal. I'll close this one, close everything, and I'll open Cloud Shell. So here is the icon, the very first one. Now you see, it says that if this is your first time opening Cloud Shell using your subscription, you can use this welcome to Azure Cloud Shell wizard to configure Cloud Shell for first time usage. So we just need to go and select create a storage. It will take a minute. Okay, so let's see. I hope you can see here, right? It's creating a Cloud Shell. Basically, it's configuring actually. Now you can see here it says initializing your account for Cloud Shell, requesting a Cloud Shell, success, connecting terminal. Should not take much time. Let me make it big for you guys so you can see. Okay, so here we are good. If you want, you can just type the command as a dash dash version if you want to find out the version. And again, it will make sure that you have configured your Cloud Shell successfully. So now you can see Azure CLI version is 2.9.0. Perfect. Now, as part of task 5, if I'll go back here, so now we are done with the task 1. It says, okay, we still need to list the resource groups. So I will type, let me just clear. I'll type the command here as group list dash o. This command will list all the resource groups which are there under my subscription. So I have 2. Now we need to delete the resource group called serverless. So the command is as group delete. I'll type the name as dash and it says serverless. Okay. So I have to say yes because I want to delete all my resources. Now it's running. It will take a minute and then once you are done with this command, we'll verify. So just wait for this to happen. Now you can see it's done. Let's go and verify. I'll just go to the resource group. I should not see. Now you see here. Now we don't have. If you see here that earlier we had 2 resource groups, serverless and Cloud Shell. So we do have one still there, but now we don't have the serverless. Okay. Now let's go back to the instruction. Close the Cloud Shell pane in the portal and then close the active application. Okay. So we'll just close from here and okay. So I think that's it. Yeah, we are done with the exercise 5. So now you guys will be able to create functions app. You guys will be able to create different functions within the app by using different built-in triggers. And now you can also configure a function app, triggers and input integrations. So basically in this lab 4, we created a function application. There was one app, but inside that particular application, inside that particular function app, we created different functions. So there were 2 HTTP trigger based function. One was there a time trigger based function, and there was one more which was just to fetch the data from my storage account. Like we uploaded a JSON file in the container in the storage account container, and then from there we configured our function app to read the JSON file which was there in the storage account, right? So that's it. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe my channel.